Hey guys, it's Isaac the Coder here. Today this is the part 2 of 4 Guys Runner. I know people have been waiting for this tutorial and now this is it. So make sure to watch to the end because this is part 2, the final part of the 4 Guys Runner scratch. If you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell for more coding/programming tutorials. And if you've not watched part 1, it's going to be in the description and I'll also make a playlist for it. So let's get started. So in this part 2, we are going to basically make the 4 guys be moving. So I actually improved the road stuff. It's still the same by part 1, but I made the obstacles come a little more. So you can just quickly look at this code. See that's just for the road. Then the obstacle, you know that we made obstacles. I also changed the way the obstacle the color. Then I tried making another obstacle, but seems like that didn't really work out. So I really advise that you try and make another obstacle so that that'll be like your own to do. So let's go guys. So basically what we want to do is we are going to like make a code for this 4 guys so we'll be able to move it. So let's get started. So basically this is what the road does. You see now it's just like that. You see the obstacles, you see, and we have 3 lives. Let's go. So first thing you want to do in this when we're controlling is put in a when click. That's very obvious. Now go to variables and now say set life to 0. I mean set life to 3. That means we have 3 lives. Now say set jumping to 0. Now go to looks. So basically I know that in the part 1 when I downloaded the 4 guys including code and I say I'm going to do in a part 2. So just go back the way I downloaded something from that 4 guys in the part 1. Remember, make sure to watch it because you can't understand the video without watching part 1. It's going to be linked in the description, and I said I also create a playlist. So just go download all the 4 guys sprite from that castle hippopotamus from scratch. You know that's where I got the idea from. So just basically download all the characters. So actually you can use any character you want, maybe this R4, R3, I don't know sure, but me I'm just gonna stick with the normal one. This one I'm going to use this one. So this is the M3 M4. So basically what I want to do now is to go to code looks. So it's actually on the character you choose that will make you know if you want the code you want. So now say switch costume. You see there are plenty, so it's basically the character you want. So now go to and say switch costume to M4. Come in here, yes, switch costume to M4, and now bring it here. So now we want to set a position for this sprite. Say it should go to x0 and y minus 110. You see, just change this to 0. Yes. Now we're going to go to control and put in a forever. Just move this here. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you give the like. Now say forever go to front layer. So I want you to basically go to the front layer so that when the obstacle is moving it won't be going behind it. So say go to front layer. Now say control repeat 3 times. So when we are putting this repeat, we don't want, you know, this is the way it is. We want it to be like a walking cycle. You understand what that means? That means that the way it's walking, like running in the 4 guys, that's how it's going to be. Not that it's going to be in one position just moving like a standstill that is running. So quickly go and now go to looks and now say next costume. So if you do that now, you see the way it's running, change it to billions of characters and you see that it's working. You see, that's nice. But I think we're also actually going to do a code that will not make it to go to that extent. But let's just see that that's how it will actually be. So just go to costumes again and 4. I think we're going to go, I don't really know, but let's continue. Now say control wait 0.2 seconds, 0.02 seconds. Put it in there. Now you are going to go to control. Okay, we are control here. Now put in a if then. Put in a if then. Now want to control it, so go to sensing and say bring in a key left arrow and key right arrow, and a key, I think we need up arrow, yes, for jumping too. So key left arrow, key right arrow, now key left arrow and key up arrow. That's 4, so just say up arrow. Now want to first put in the key right arrow. Now say change x by -5. That's basically what we're gonna do. So say change x by -5. Now go to control again, put in 2 more if thens. So put one here, move this here, and now go here and put this one here. Yes. Now just move this here. Now say if key left arrow pressed, then it should do what? Change x by 5, just like the opposite of right. You get that? Now say change x by 5. Now move it here. So I'm basically making the movement now. Now say put in the key up arrow. Now say go to variables and say set jumping to 1. Set jumping to 1 and say repeat 15 times, so that the thing will be able to jump high. Just stop this. So that's what we actually want to do now. I want to say set jumping to 1. So just say set jumping to 1, then say repeat 15 times. Go to control and say repeat 15 times, so that you're able to jump over the obstacles. Now put in repeat 15 times in here. Now say change y by -5. Go to motion, sorry, change y by -5. I think that's the code for to jump up too. So put in there, and now let's continue. Now go to that variables again and say set jumping to 0. Set jumping to 0. No, it's going to be here. Yes. Now say this is the code we are going to make, that I think it will not be making turn to all the characters. Say switch costume to M4. Switch costume to M4. Let's see that. You see that? You see? Wait. Stop that. Okay, I know what happened. Wait a minute. So before that jumping, just duplicate this. Wait. Set jumping to 0. Move down out. Yes. Set jumping people are repeat 15 y -5. Let's try that again. See, now I can basically control it. See, like actually this game is actually fun. You see that the left is for right and the right is for this thing. So that's actually the way the game is going to be. So let's continue. Yeah, let's continue as I said before. So sorry about that. Make sure your code is exactly like this, so that it's gonna work for you. You know, we finish coding it. See the code. Just try and maybe like restart scratch or off scratch on it again, so it works, because that was like misbehaving. So make sure the code is like this. So we've come to the end of this video. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell for more coding/programming tutorials. And if you're new to my channel and you just watch this video, part 1 is going to be in the description. Also, I'll also make a playlist for it. And soon, more other coding/programming tutorials will be coming, like Python and others. I think you're super excited. And also be maybe try and deal with MIT. So make sure to subscribe if you want to learn coding/programming, especially for beginners. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. Make sure to give it a like and share with your friends. Thanks so much for watching. Stay safe. Happy coding.